Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. In this video, I will explain to you how to recover the deleted software, photo, document from your system. The window give you the recovery service. You can recover a deleted software, photo and document without installing a recovery software. Come to the laptop and type the control panel in the search box. You can see here, click on it. This is the main page of the control panel. You can see here, and type the recovery in the search box. You can see here, this is the recovery services. Or you can also click on the category option and then click on the small icon option, and this is the recovery option also available here. Click on it, and first of all, to configure the restore point, click on the configure system restore, click on it, and click on the system protection. Click on it, because first of all, to make a restore point, and then click on the C drive option, and then click on the create button and type a description help identify the restore point. First of all, I will create a restore point and type the name of the restore point, because it is mandatory for the recovery of software and photo. And then click on the create button. Finally, click on it. My restored point is deleted software. You can see here, it will create. You can see the restore point was created successfully. Click on the close button and then click on the OK button. My restore point has been created. Close this one, and for the deleting, click on again, go to the control panel. I want to delete a software from the control panel. Click on it, and then click on the category option, or click on the uninstall a program option. Click on it. I want to uninstall a software from my system. I want to Mozilla Firefox software from my system. Right click on it. This is also the uninstall option also available, or click on the above uninstall option. You can see here, click on it and then click on the next button. Click on it. The uninstallation, click on the uninstallation button. The uninstallation will start here. You can see here, uninstalling Firefox. It will complete, and then finally click on the finish button. Your system will restart, and you can see here the Mozilla Firefox has been uninstalled from my system. Come to the recovery option again and click on it. I want to recover the deleted software, and then click on the open system restore, this one option. Click on it, and you can see here, I want to restore the Firefox. It does not affect of your document, so click on the next button and click on the restore point. You can see here, deleted software. This is my restore point. Select this one and then click on the next option, and you can see here, this is the C drive. I created a restore point in the C drive. And finally click on the finish button. Click on it. Once restored, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Click on the yes button. Preparing to restore your system. So you can see here, my system has been automatically restored. Please wait while your video file and resetting are being restored. System restoring and initializing. You can see here, it will restart my computer. This is the, you can see here, my computer has been restored. After the restart, my computer system restore completed successfully. The system has been restored. This one, your document have not been affected. So for the checking, go to the control panel again, and then click on the category option and click on the uninstall a program option, and then scroll down, and you can see here, Mozilla Firefox has been successfully recovered. This is the Mozilla Firefox. You can see here. So in short, in this video, I have explained to you how to recover a deleted software, photo, document by the window recovery services. If you have any question about this one video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.